All right, we're gonna make lion's mane's crab cakes. There's a good lion's mane mushroom. You can see it's freshly picked today. You're gonna want to peel it. Like over here, we have peeled 8 ounces of peeled lion's mane's mushrooms for your lion's mane's crab cakes. We've never made this before, but we're gonna try it out. You're gonna do 2 tablespoons of mayo, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 large egg, that's a fresh egg from our chickens, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup diced sweet onions, 1 tablespoon finely chopped parsley. We didn't have fresh parsley, so we just used the spices that we had. 1½ teaspoons Old Bay seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 1/3 cup panko breadcrumbs, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You're going to want to shred your mushrooms up so they resemble like a crab. You put 2 tablespoons of water in your mushrooms here, and then you're going to put them into your frying pan. You're going to cook these in your frying pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. When the water evaporates and the mushrooms get cooked, then you're going to want to let it cool. Okay. So we have our ingredients mixed up in this bowl, thoroughly mixed up. We have our lion's manes. It's now cooled. And what you want to do is you want to grab it and you want to squeeze it and squeeze the moisture out of it as much as you can. We've done this already. And we're going to add this into our mixture here. Get it all in there. And then we're just going to mix it together. Once you've fully incorporated your mushrooms with your mix, now that looks good. We're gonna grab a little scoop. We're gonna ball it up like a little crab cake. We're gonna put them in the frying pan on about a medium heat. We put our 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. I'm just gonna make all these little crab cakes. because got the egg. These crab cakes smell delicious. You're going to let these cook for a couple minutes so they're nice and brown, cooked through. We're going to fry these crab cakes, lion's mane's crab cakes, until they're nice and golden brown. Give them a look, flip them over. Yeah. They smell delicious.